guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, please subscribe. On this episode, we have a ceiling that collapsed because of the upstairs neighbor's air conditioner was leaking water non-stop and eventually had the ceiling cave in over here.
Dust everywhere. I just fucking... Yesterday, literally, immaculate, clean, mopped, swept, everything.
When we arrived, we noticed that there are no pipes on the ceiling. And we go upstairs and we find there's an air conditioner.
Downstairs they may say it's a lot of water.
Yeah.
You think so a lot of water coming from there?
Yeah.
From the air conditioner. There's a beehive in there, right?
There's a beehive in the air conditioner. And look at the damage it did to the apartment downstairs. So we're here to fix this. The air conditioner's drain is clogged. And there's a beehive in here. Just my luck.
Can we yank it out or we still no good? Are we attached somewhere?
Wow, there's a
Oh, there is a beehive in there. Oh, you